Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and I am showing off my new Redtiger camera. Now this is the F17 Elite that has a beautiful 4K image that's going to come in very handy in your future. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Now first and foremost, I love that it's got this little SD card right here. It comes with it so you don't have to worry about formatting and everything there. It automatically starts recording. The setup is so easy, okay? Now, it just connects to the Wi-Fi on your smart device, whether that's Google or Apple, and you have an immediate stream into your device. So very cool there. That makes it very convenient. Other devices can be difficult when you're trying to pull that footage to get them into a usable format. This is automatically ready for you to grab very conveniently. Then on top of that, it uses USB-C to both work that rear camera and to power the device. Now we've gone ahead and we put the rear camera right along the lining of the vehicle to where we have a great rear camera, and they've included plenty of cabling to make sure that it'll reach the back of even the longest vehicle, so no problem there. Now they have a very nice adhesive that you just stick into place, and most people will tell you to put it right kind of underneath your rear view mirror. And it comes with easy to use instructions as well. Now from there, you've got over a 3-inch screen to where you can see it right in front of you. And you can toggle between the interior camera, the front-facing camera, and that rear camera. And you can watch all 3 cameras at the same time if you're so inclined. So that's really cool. Now this uses the latest technology. It's 4K, 2.5K, and 1080p, so you've got everything covered. 24/7 ultra color Wi-Fi 6. That means it's transmitting data over Wi-Fi fast to your smart device to make sure that you're not missing a thing. And this is a great dash cam that has beautiful color night vision. So this is the world's first 24/7 ultra color dash cam, and it has dual 2 HDR STARVIS Ultra HD. It includes that 128 gig card to where you can record hours and hours of footage. It has the included parking kit, and it's backed for 18 months by the company. And yeah, there's nothing like this. No other product is anywhere near this advanced. And remember folks, you can only get that free hardware parking monitor kit from the website, so make sure to get that. Now, this is going to give you 24/7 Ultra HD dash cam footage. So why do you need a dash cam? Think about it. If you're driving Uber, you want to keep an eye on who's in your car. If you're getting sued and somebody says that you were not paying attention to the road, you want a video of yourself. If you get hit in traffic and someone blames you, you want a video out of the front and back of your vehicle so you can prove otherwise. Now, I love the fact that, and we'll show this in the up-close portion of the video, you can adjust exactly where the camera is pointing. Other devices, you have to move the entire device, which can warp the image. You can actually just move the camera. They've just done a great job here. Dual HDR, 3-inch, it's a touch screen and voice control, making it ultra convenient and safe for you users. This is going to give you a 360-degree field, making sure you're recording this side, that side, out back, and all around. You're going to have so much coverage. Non-stop UHD is what they call it. And yeah, the interior image is also going to be clear as day. Unlike some of those grainy cameras, they've put a great camera on the inside. This is perfect for the safety and protection of your children, your pet, your carpool, and everyone in between. And this is even going to monitor to help prevent things like robberies. When somebody sees that camera is watching them, they're going to do a lot less bad stuff. Now that 4K STARVIS 2 really makes an ultra crystal clear image. That matters to me. And they're using the latest IMAX technology to make sure that you're getting great sensors, great quality images every single time. You're going to be able to read a license plate across the street if you need to. And think about that. Having that footage available to you if there's a wreck, if there's a judge involved, if there's a lawyer involved, if there's your insurance company involved, could literally save you millions of dollars. So it's very important to have that. Okay, now we're going to show you everything that's included in the up close portion of the video, but you're getting the ultimate in Wi-Fi. You're getting a beautiful screen, and it's going to work so perfectly. And folks, for safety, I want to show you, there's the interior image that we put on screen. We've got the front facing and the rear facing. I'm parked in my garage for safety, but we'll take it for a spin, and I'm sure you've seen a lot of footage available here. There's your internal camera, which you can move. We'll show that in the up close portion of the video. You've got your 128 gig card right there. And of course, all of your buttons right below. You can even lock it to keep anyone from messing with it. You've got your on and off for picture, and you can go through the settings, sound recording on and off, loop recording, the G-Shock sensor, which will automatically record if there's a shock, great for accidents. The fatigue reminder you can turn on and off to remind you, hey, it's time to take a little break. You've got your Wi-Fi, your volume, your click tones, startup sound. You can adjust just about everything here. You can flip and mirror, the timestamp. You can even see the speed and the GPS, change the language, the clock, everything at a push of a button with this beautiful smart screen. I love that as well. You can even change the resolution at a push of a button. This thing is dynamic and easy to use. And let me scroll through the different cameras. You can see there's the inside of my garage. That's the front facing camera. You can see all three with the interior being the largest. Change it around, there's the rear facing and that interior again. So this is really cool. Say if you're an Uber driver, you've got people in the car, you don't want to act up, or you just want to show what's behind you. Whatever it may be, there's an easy access mode, and all it takes is a flip of the finger. And folks, let's not forget about the app. We'll show some footage there, but this app is very easy and intuitive to run from your smartphone. A lot of those apps are harder to set up, but they've just done a great job making an intuitive app that we love and we know you're going to love as well. So very easy to use, stylish, sophisticated, and chic. Now folks, if your question is, should you pick this up? I'm gonna give it a resounding yes. Redtiger is the best of the best. It's time to go pick one up. And you know what else? It's time to get to shopping. Now, if you want even more, you want to see this little device up close and personal, when we first got it out of the beautiful box, stick around for the up close portion of the video. But before we do that, I got to tell you, this is a great brand that's been around for a long period of time, making high quality products. They're an elite brand, making you an elite product. You can definitely trust Redtiger, so go get one. All right, stick around for the up close portion of our video. Oh yeah. All right, folks, now it is time for our up-close portion of the video. It's from Redtiger. It says, truly peace of mind. This is the F17 Elite, 4K 1080p plus 2.5K. It's your STARVIS 2 trademark and full night color. Okay, so Redtiger is just doing great things. Now, this portion of the video gives you a moment at the end of the video to put the item in your cart. Okay, and I wanted to wait to open this. Oftentimes I will pre-open it and have all the pieces laying out for the portion of the video, but I peeked and I gotta tell you, it is packed professionally and I want you to see this. It has the 3-inch touchscreen, voice control, that latest Wi-Fi 6, so it's going to be lightning fast at transferring data, and you know we love that. All right, so for the unbox, look how smooth this is. You always say that luxury and premium items are expertly packed, and this is no exception. So you see your spot for the memory card, your GPS mount, your adhesive, your front camera, your rear camera, your power port, inside camera, okay, right, left, power, mode, and screen, all explained. And then look at this. I would assume this is that rear camera. We'll see. We'll see. Here's that front camera. Whoa, look at that. Look at the quality. They've just done a great job here. Beautiful design. Look at the fit and finish on that, right? Isn't that gorgeous? Look at the big lens allowing in a lot of light. Easy to read the back. Let's zoom in a little bit for you. You got your power button. Very easy to read. And you can adjust the exact angle. The interior camera, keeping an eye on your passengers and yourself, your driver. The status light, power button, menu button, left, right, and OK. How nice is that? That is gorgeous. They've just done a great job here, folks. They've just made a good looking device. Okay, backing back up again. Back up again. User manual. The electrostatic sticker. Whoop, there it is. Warning prompts. Clean the area with a soft cloth. Remove the protective film and position the sticker. Here's your app instructions and your user manual for the F17 Elite. And they've just done a great job making a high quality device. All your cabling is included, nicely packed. That's your real cable, your rear cable, your cable clips and your adhesive. Also included, pull it up here, your tool and your power supply cable, all included, very nicely packed. And we're going to open this up just so you can see it real quick. All right. Look at that. You can see the cabling quality. They got a thicker cable with that USB-C that you can charge your phone with if you want. And see, they've gone above and beyond by including a USB-A to where you can charge your phone from the USB-A or other devices from that as well. So a very nice overall styling, fit and finish. All right, folks, so the brand is Redtiger. This is the F17 Elite. It's time to go pick one up. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining us. And make sure to pick up the most impressive little camera on the planet. All right, folks, what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up. Goodbye, my friends.